Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have a toddler, you're definitely going to want to check out this modular couch from DREAMANIA. We have it in this beautiful gray color. It is so extremely soft and comfortable. The best part about it is that all the covers unzip and you can actually wash the covers, which is so convenient when you have a messy toddler that spills everything. It comes with 6 different pieces, and there's just so many different ways that you can arrange them for your little one to have fun. You can have them crawl under, climb over, set up fun little scenarios like the car with the stop light. You can do little puppet shows or play store with them. They get some exercise in, and also it helps develop just their movement, their motor skills. And my little one's favorite is definitely the ball pit that kept him entertained for a super long time. I love that you can also just flatten it out and make it into like a mattress. That's great for sleepovers or if he wants to watch a movie. And the couch form itself, it's an adorable little couch that he can sit in to watch TV or climb on. So if you're looking for something fun for your toddler to do at home, definitely check out this couch. There's so many different ways your little one can play with it. It's easy to clean and just lots of fun for the whole family. That's just my point of view.